Thank you for joining us as the joist leveling continues. Junebug gets in big trouble.
Okay, this one is about 16th longer up here than down here.
And we have to say goodbye to our fantastic Nebraska helpers.
Out of square.
No, which
Might
way?
try both ways and see what we think.
I can't tell if the bottom is good or not.
Yeah, it looks right where you're at. Looks pretty good.
Okay.
Center was good, perfect, and then these two, for whatever reason, a little higher. Oh, that one needs to go down.
See, it's off. I'm wondering if we better just leave it until we put the rim board on and pull it down with the rim board.
Pull down.
Yeah.
Probably should have put some weight on this, I guess, before we screwed those.
We could unscrew them just a little bit.
Yeah, I wonder if I step up on these. That one's, you tack this one, right?
Yeah, that one's down.
Out here. Put some weight on this. What does that do?
Nothing.
Bummer.
Like I say, when we get ready to put the rim board on, we just loosen the screws into the last two on each side, and then pull it down with the rim board and put it into place, and we can see what happens when we tighten them up. So once that rim board's down, we push down here, it should hold this down, which should take that down just a hair.
How much does it go down when I step on it?
Yeah, that's not too bad there.
Well, yeah, if we can get it over to its spot, and I'll put my weight on it. Let's try that.
Okay, step all on it there.
Okay, I got my weight on it. Yeah, I wonder if it wouldn't hurt to reset those second ones over. Actually, I think I remember we probably should have set this one down and kept it level right after that center one, because I remember thinking, oh, that's got a high spot a little bit, but it's definitely much better than, and then when we go back about 5 feet, it's still pretty high in the middle there then. I mean, by the time this is tacked to the rim board and the sill plate, it's definitely going to be good on this end. It's just a matter of maybe pulling those. We'll get glue around them so that'll shim. It'll span that. You'll never tell it on the floor, but the glue will fill that. Did you say you had a bit you could use to remount around that bolt down there at the end? The one I've got on there I think is a little bit small, or maybe that's close.
The one that's on the drill is bigger than what
The bolt?
yeah.
Oh, okay. You need to just catch the corner on this flange.
I just use a chisel and chisel down this one here.
Okay, I could do that.
It's Tuesday, day 8.
Now, just to crown up, did we?
As you can tell, we're getting a little rain.
If anybody wants any of my wonderful LaCroix water.
What are you doing there, Rylan?
We are hanging the shorter joists.
This is day 9 of our house kit build. Progress is being made. It's important that this part is correct because everything else relies on the strong foundation. How's it going, guys? Is it going?
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
Junebug, what are you doing?
4. So,
Junebug, you gotta get down. Come on.
yeah.
No, not there. Junebug, come on. Junebug, come on. Grandpa's getting mad. Come on. Junebug. Hey. Junebug, get down. Junebug, come on. Come on, get down. Get down. Come on.
Get out of there! Get down! Get down!
Get up to there. Yep, that way. Jump that way. Get down, Junebug.
Get out of there!
I'm sorry, sweetheart. Okay, sweetheart. how's it going?
Very good.
What's the matter?
Somehow our spacing over here got off on this end, so I'm going to have to go through and reset them all.